That's what happens when you make a kite that does tricks.
Where did he go? Help!
Straight ahead.
We can't go out in this wind. One of you might get blown away.
Help!
You see, it's already happening to the rabbits.
Rabbits are brave, rabbits are brave. Just don't look down. Ah! Oh, hello, Cottontail. Whoa! Yay! Fun ride! Help!
Well, pluck my spines. I don't believe me eyes. Oh, dear. I really must get some rest. Oh, dear.
He's going that way.
No, he's not. The wind's blowing him to Owl Island.
Oh, no! If Old Brown sees him, he'll be our breakfast.
We'll never catch him in time.
A good rabbit never gives up. Come on.
Wah! Wah! Hey, actually, this is kind of fun. Woohoo, yeah!
Oh, tail feathers! Which who?
Uh-oh, fun's over.
I'll teach you for waking me up, you flying fluffball!
This is all your fault. If your kite was easier to steer, Benjamin could escape.
If your kite was faster, Old Brown would never catch him.
Which who?
Wah! We have to separate the strings to bring him down.
No, we've got to get him away from Old Brown first.
Shoo, shoo!
Cartwheeling cart horses, stop moving about!
Oh, Mrs. Tiggy-Winkle, hello? Mrs. Tiggy-Winkle, wake up! Oh, I wish I could whistle like Lily. Wake up, Mrs. Tiggy-Winkle, you've got to get out of there! Your house is going to get crushed by a falling rock! Mrs. Tiggy-Winkle!
Oh, I'm not doing any washing for a while, my love.
But,
I'm hibernating, sleeping all winter. Oh, come back in the spring.
but Mrs. Tiggy...
Oh, so sleepy. Now, Peter, be a dear and run along. Oh.
No, you don't understand! Ah, Mrs. Tiggy-Winkle, you have to listen to me! You're in danger! Hello?
Oh no! Stop moving, Benjamin! Move to the right! I thought you said stop moving! Benjamin, move! Quick! Left a bit! Your other left, Benjamin? Oh, that left! Sure! Peter! What happened? Where's Mrs. Tiggy-Winkle?
I couldn't make her listen. She's hibernating.
What? Hibernating? Hibernating. That means she's going to sleep all winter. It's what hedgehogs do. And I know that for a fact. I don't know how much longer I could do this. My legs are getting achy.
You can't give up, Benjamin. One wrong move and that rock will flatten Mrs. Tiggy-Winkle's house and everything in it.
But Peter, we can't stay up here forever.
No, you can't. And if we can't get Mrs. Tiggy-Winkle out, we'll just have to make sure the rock doesn't hit a house. There must be something around here we can use.
Just in case pocket. Just in case.
Wow! Tommy Brock! He's sure to have something.
Tommy Brock!
I'm Chico Bonbon, monkey with a tool belt.
And we're the Fix-It
Force!
Can you help me, Chico Bonbon?
You got a problem? We can solve them. Fix it, Force? Time to bring the awesome.
Tool Force 1 activated.
Let's get to work.
I'm gonna need a spatula that's made of something flexible.
We'll make a bridge out of nothing.
It's better than magic. It's